So what is Coulter? What do you guys do?
Coulter is a specialty finishing company.
Okay.
So we basically take things and take them in their raw form and we'll finish them custom to whatever our customers want. Biggest product line we have are aerosol spray paint caps. So if you buy a can of aerosol spray paint and the color of the cap indicates what's in the can, that's what we do. We also do a metalizing process where it's very similar to a mirroring process. You'll see gold, silver, copper. We do custom colors to where we will do that reflective. It's a very highly reflective surface. We also do parts within the cosmetic industry, some for Procter & Gamble, some for some other products. Anytime somebody wants a special customized finish, whether it be a cap or a specialty part, that's what we do.
Quality big thing then? Like on a cap?
Next to taking care of our team members, quality is number one. Coulter has part of our mission is providing good quality, on time, complete at a fair price. Good quality is number one there for a reason, because if you don't get good quality, you can't get to the others. Quality is a science to us. So if you do X, Y, and Z, you will get A, B, and C.
Right, now where do you see Coulter in 10 years then?
What I would tell you is that the founders of the business, the Coulter family,
Yes.
absolutely made this opportunity for me and my family and every single worker there. So what we are trying to do with the business, to answer your question directly, we want to double and triple the size of the company over the next 10 years. But you have to do that smart. And so you have to be one step ahead of the customer growth. And if we're bringing in more demand, we need to add more machines. We just got done last year adding about a $1.5 to $2 million line. And it wasn't because we needed it right then, it was because we were seeing our customers growing and we wanted to be one step ahead of that. Now we're seeing growth from our customers in other industries and we're one step ahead of it. And we'll keep doing that. We'll keep doing investment ahead of the demand curve so we make sure we're continuing to provide great product. If we do that, the rest will take care of itself.